Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are interested to start your own technical channel on YouTube, or if you want to record some of the steps of your project, then this video is for you. This is not the technical video, but in this video, I will teach you how to record the computer screen in high quality, and that is without using any third-party software. So you don't need to install anything. And the software which I'm going to suggest is completely free and will not include any kind of trial version logo in a recorded video. So watch till the end because I'm going to cover all these steps. Let's start the video. Open the PowerPoint. Yeah, that is the software which I am going to suggest because most people don't know about the screen recording feature. So here, click on the insert menu. The last menu is a screen recording. Click on that. See, it is suggesting like insert screen recording. As you can see from the top, there is a toolbar and that came when you do a mouse over. Now click on the select area. You can select the area whichever you want to record. Here, along with the recording, you can record your audio also. Click on the record icon. See, recording is going to start. Recording started. Now record this book REST API project. What I mean is like I'm going to record these steps which will cover how to run this project and will open one request in the browser. Let's run this project. In the background, everything is recording. Server is started. Let's open the readme MD file. Let's copy first get request. Now let's open the browser. See, it is working and returning the proper response. Let's stop the server. As you can see, now we returned back to the PowerPoint. And for the stop recording, click on the second icon. Recording stopped. As you can see here, recording included as part of the slide. Let's play this recording. See, it recorded everything, whatever I did. Now, let's see how to save this outside any of the directory. So, right click on the recording and click on Save Media as option. And after that, choose the path where you want to save this recording. See, recording saved successfully. See, here is the recording. Now let's play. See, video recorded as expected. I hope you understood. As you already saved this recording, then delete the recording from the PowerPoint. Now you know how to record the computer screen. So if you want to create your own channel, then initial step I already explained. It is up to you. If you want to know some more details like how to edit the video, then add your thought in the comment section. And if you want to share something which can help others in terms of some coding problem, or if you have any project, then record and share with me through the email. Email ID is in the description. If you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to like. Thanks for watching.